Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are using a Dialga. It is followed by a Melmetal and a 100 IV Mewtwo. So here we are into our first match. It's a Dialga versus Melmetal, and you know it's very horrible because of superpower. We made an escape swap because we don't have a perfect counter of this Melmetal. Again it's a rock slide, we know it. Just trying to form up to Psy Strike and hitting it, because focus blast will be taking too long. I am not shielding. Again going for Psy Strike. If they take this hit, their Melmetal will be knocked. No, but they are still required to use. Okay, they switch to their own Mewtwo, and the Melmetal is almost reached to its chart moves. Yeah, I know it's a Psy Strike, so taking the hit. Now hitting, forming a bit extra and then hitting with Iron Head. They don't have any option other than taking the hit. We are blocking here for sure. They are gonna bring their Melmetal. We are immediately hitting with the Iron Head. Now they have a Togekiss and we just using our Melmetal to counter this Togekiss, and they left. Okay, even after this much horrible lead, still we managed to win. Here it's a Shadow Gardevoir. Oh man, it's horrible. We are switching to our Mewtwo. We know that Melmetal will be performing a bit better as compared to Mewtwo against Gardevoir, but still we are switching to only Mewtwo because they will also be shifting to another Pokemon. So we have the best counter of Gardevoir still remaining with us. This Giratina is very much loaded on its energy. Okay, fine. We are taking the first hit, whatever it is. It's an Omnious Wind. Now we are blocking because this time it can be a Shadow Ball. Okay, it was again a bait, just Dragon Breath hit. Dialga Dragon Breath is just so powerful. Now they are switching to their Garchomp. Okay, it's very horrible situation. Garchomp can easily counter the Melmetal and Gardevoir can easily counter the Dialga. I don't think I can win now. They used an outrage. Fine. Now we are going for superpower this time. We will again hit with the superpower. They should have used their earthquake first time instead of the outrage. If they don't have earthquake, then should have gone for okay. We are blocking because it can be anything. It's an outrage. We just hit with the Iron Head, and I think now it's our win, even after such horrible scenario. Shadow Gardevoir was very squishy. Okay, now moving next. 9 Unicorn 3, that's a player name. And what is on the lead? It's a Togekiss again, horrible lead. Again going for Mewtwo, and similarly they are going for their Giratina. Giratina, we I think we should not shield it, but still shielding. Okay, fine. Going for Psy Strike here because Focus Blast will not be doing any damage because it's more than 2 times resisted on the Ghost type. Again going for Psy Strike. They should have hit us with another Omnious Wind, but they got greedy and now they are giving us a shield for it. Blocking this, it can be a shadow ball. Trying to dragon breath down them. Okay, they again reach to their charge move, and I think it's a shadow ball again. Okay, Kyogre, we have to go for the Draco Meteor anyhow. And we succeeded in reaching Draco Meteor before they reach to their surf, and it's Togekiss. It's easy now. Simply have to hit with two rock slides, and that's very easy. They stand no chance here. Metal is just so good. It doesn't even have a perfect counter. Okay, sometimes Garchomp can be said as a perfect counter, but remaining it doesn't have any perfect counter. Okay, again a horrible lead. It's a Snorlax. We don't have to fear from its body slam, but we have to take care of its superpower. It is like a mini Melmetal. Okay, hitting with Iron Head here. Now it can be a superpower, can be a body slam. We are blocking it. It's a body slam. We can let this go. We can survive one superpower. Oh man, it's an earthquake. No, we are in horrible condition. Our first Pokemon is eliminated. We don't have any shields. Okay, I mean we have one less shield. But I don't know why they brought in their Togekiss. I mean a Togekiss can never counter a Melmetal. Probably they made a wrong swap. Okay, now we have taken both of their shields. It's nice. Spamming 4 back-to-back rock slides on this Togekiss. Now they have a Giratina in the back, and it's Giratina altered form. This is a bit less dangerous for our Mewtwo as compared to the Giratina origin. Here we have formed up to Psy Strike. Shadow Sneak, we blocked it. Now immediately hitting with Psy Strike. It's a Shadow Sneak. Shadow Sneak will not knock out. It could also be a Dragon Claw, but that would also not have knocked out, and just simply Psycho cutting down this Snorlax. Even after such horrible leads, we somehow managed to win. It's a Mewtwo, okay. We don't have to fear from the Psy Strike. It's not a Shadow Mewtwo, but they need to fear from our Iron Head. Just look at the damage of Dragon Breath of Dialga. I mean the Mewtwo has used its charge attack, but still the health of both the Pokemons is almost same. They switch to their Dialga, and now we switch to our Melmetal. We are taking the Iron Head because as we know it's an Iron Head, and now going for superpowers. They didn't block it. Okay, nice. First time it hits a bit more as compared to later times. Again going for superpower. Okay, we are not blocking it. They race to their Iron Head before we race to our third superpower. Now going for Dialga and Dragon Breathing down this. They brought in a Kyogre. We immediately switch to our Mewtwo. We are blocking this surf. And now we will be forming a bit extra and then hitting with two side strikes. Side strike is like the best move of this game. It hits so hard and gets formed in so less fast moves, just 5 I guess. Here they managed to reach to their side strike before us, but the Dialga is having its Iron Head ready and just hitting immediately with the Iron Head, and this will obviously KO the Mewtwo. So here we are winning our next match, entering further. Okay, Togekiss again horrible, again switching to our Mewtwo immediately. It's like a sequence, like it's a horrible lead, we switch to our Mewtwo, then they switch to their Giratina. It's always happening like that. Letting this go, there is no point of saving Mewtwo. It's a shadow ball, okay, nice. Bringing our Melmetal, oh sorry, Dialga here. It's a Togekiss going for our Iron Head. This will not knock out the Togekiss, but it will. Okay, they shielded. Now switching to our Melmetal. In the back, they have Kyogre. We will be going for Rock Slides. It is because I don't want to debuff the Melmetal here. Attack and defense both will fall if I use the superpower. We are taking this surf. Now if we had used suppose two superpowers, then we would not have survived. Anyways, there was no profit of surviving either. We have two shields. We can easily Dragon Breath down this Kyogre, and then there is only a Togekiss, and we can Iron Head that Togekiss. Okay, fine. In a no shield situation, Dialga is powerful against Togekiss. Otherwise, Togekiss is a Dialga counter in a one shield situation. Okay, at least finally a good lead here. This is to their Melmetal, but we don't have any perfect Melmetal counter. We will try to make an escape swap. We tried it, but failed this time. Next decision to not to block here. Now again going for Mewtwo to catch the superpower. Okay, this guy was baiting again. It's nice. Again it's a rock slide, this time we are sure. Okay, I should have used one more Psycho Cut to give an impression of Focus Blast. Anyways, now they are required to shield, otherwise their Melmetal will be okay knocked, and they didn't shield. They brought in their Giratina. They switch to Metagross. We are using our Draco Meteor. It's not a mistake. I am intentionally using the Draco Meteor on the Metagross. It's an Meteor Mash and I know it. Melmetal resists both Meteor Mash and Side Strike. Sorry, Meteor Mash and Psychic. Here we don't want to debuff our Melmetal, so we are just going for Rock Slide. Blocking it, it can be an Earthquake. And it is nice. Okay, now we are again going for superpower this time because it's a UC, no shield situation. We are blocking it. We know it's a claw or a shadow sneak, and claw is probably better, but still block. We are going for Iron Head. Our attack has fallen heavily after using that Draco Meteor. Now just using the Dragon Breath here. They race to their charge move. Shadow Sneak. Okay, I am unable to hit. Don't know why. Here is the Metagross, and now going for the superpower last time. So here we are guys into our last match for this video. Okay, let's check what do they have on the lead. It's a Dragonite, and it's very easy for us because Dialga is taking neutral damage from Dragonite's Dragon Breath, but Dragonite is taking super effective damage from Dialga's Dragon Breath, and Dialga is very much more than 50%. We are taking this hit. Don't know what it is. Outrage. Oh man. Now we will just be downing it with our normal fast move. It is because we want to just load up on energy on our Melmetal. It's a Gyarados, and now just spamming the rock slides on this Gyarados. They shouldn't have brought in a Gyarados here. Okay, it's a waterfall Gyarados. Now again going for rock slide. They don't have any shield. They have only one Pokemon remaining in the back. Okay, it's a Tyranitar. We now only have to use one superpower because it is a level 34 Tyranitar, I guess. Thanks for watching guys. Please do like and subscribe and comment. Happy hunting.